Myself Saurabh Sharma, and today my topic is MTV goes global. There are some. These are the agenda introduction global. First, we have to. This is the introduction. MTV basically stand for Music India. Hindi में English.
This is presentation. You should continue. You're doing good. You're doing good.
MTV. First of all, we have to understand who launched the MTV. MTV stands for music television, and it is launched in 1981 in US by American Express and Warner Communication. As a joint venture, they launched this MTV. And in 1986, Viacom acquired MTV. Global reach.
I'm sorry for that, but I just want to tell you that you should always introduce what topic that we are going to discuss and why we are doing it. It's just a case presentation. It's a case presentation in the subject advertising management, and the topic was global advertisement and key considerations, right? And we have selected, or I have selected MTV's case, how they reach their advertisement to a global level by giving a local touch, right?
Global reach. In 1990s, MTV expanded globally with 72 channels across the Europe, Asia, Latin America, Canada, and Australia, reaching over 321 million homes. To connect different audience, MTV adopt content of each region. In this, MTV shows the content according to the region by region, and they have 20 unique version of channel with local programming and cultural adjustment. Cultural adaptation. Effective delivery techniques. MTV customized its channel to fit cultural preference of each region. In India, basically, people are more relates with the religion. India is most preferable language is in India is English. Sometimes Hindi, sometimes English, and they love Hindi English music both. And MTV Batra was the first show that go viral by the MTV. And in China, basically MTV represent the family value, content related to family values and nurturing themes. In Japan, advanced technology are preferred to be shown through the MTV. And in Italy, emphasize style. And in Brazil, incorporate vibrant and sensual content. Success strategy of MTV. MTV uses local content. These are some strategies that are used by MTV to gain the success, to achieve the success. Local content. MTV present the content related to the different reason, their local beliefs and knowledge. Regional content. It divided large region like Europe into smaller market, provided personalized content. Europe is a very large region, so there are different types of countries, and they delivers content according to the subdivision of the Europe and their belief. Collaboration. MTV collaborate with the artist, musician, and brand to produce culturally relevant programs. Youth focused event to appreciate the artist or any person. People they present or organize award show and customize with the real artist and theme to connect with the young audience. Last one, fifth, social media and tech. MTV uses different social platform to for their success and to deliver the information about themselves. Challenges faced by the MTV. India remains particularly tough market due to TV household. In India, before in early 90s, many homes are not have their personal television at home. So India was the toughest market due to limited TV household and fragmented TV industry. In Japan, MTV faced difficulties in achieving significant market penetration. In Asia, MTV adopted by launching language feed and tapping into regional cultural trend. In Asia, there are so many cities where language are different and culture are different. So this is the main big problem which is faced by the MTV.
Thank you.